Welcome to Unit 6. I love talking to my parents and grandparents. They have so many fascinating stories about the past. My grandparents didn't have TVs or mobile phones when they were children, so they played outside with their friends a lot. What was life like when your parents or grandparents were children? In this unit, we'll look at the past simple form of regular and irregular verbs. You'll find out about the history of the famous Madame Tussauds Museum in London and how the wax models started. Can you tell if these are real people or waxwork models? In reading and listening, you can read about a young fisherman and a very successful businessman. When a businessman met a fisherman is a story about the important things in life. This unit has a video about famous events that happened around the world in the past. In vocabulary and listening, we'll look at words to describe feelings. We'll also look at adjectives ending in ed and ing. Is she annoyed or annoying? Is the journey tired or tiring? What's the date today? In everyday English, you will learn and practice ordinal numbers and ways of saying the date in English. Do you need more skills practice? Go online to improve your reading, listening, speaking, or writing. Are you ready? Let's get started.